I think I feel a liver pain way down in the bottom of my liver somewhere, like it's corroded down to the bottom area or something. Smoking cigarettes tonight.
What are you smoking there, Glenn? Tom Green Show cigarettes. That's delicious.
That's what I'm smoking, Tom Green
Kids,
Show
if you want to
cigarettes.
be funny like Glenn Humplick, smoke Tom Green Show cigarettes. See the way the cigarette dangles from his lips? See how sexy and confident that makes Glenn Humplick look? Hey, Glenn, say something sexy and confident to the kids out there.
Smoke cigarettes, kids. They're good for you. Tom Green Show cigarettes. I've had to clean my screen off with alcohol again. But the alcohol cleans the inside of your body too. Buy Tom Green Show cigarettes and also Jim Leahy liquor.